In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a Wix store on your website. If you're looking to expand your online presence and start selling products directly from your site, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together to make it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, head over to your Wix website editor. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu filled with various tools and options. From this menu, look for and click on Add Apps. This action will open the Wix app market for you. Here is where you can find a myriad of apps designed to enhance the functionality of your website, catering to all sorts of requirements. In the search bar of the app market, type in Wix Store. This app is essential for transforming your website into a fully operational online store. Once you've found the Wix Store, click on Add to Site. After clicking, give it a moment to integrate. Sometimes these things require a bit of patience as the system incorporates the app with your existing setup, ensuring everything works seamlessly. Once the integration is complete, you'll notice a new panel appearing on the left side of your screen. This panel serves as your new command center for managing your store. It will prompt you to start adding your products. Here, you can also define your shipping regions, an important step in ensuring your customers know where you can deliver your goods. Additionally, this panel allows you to connect a payment method. Selecting the right payment method is crucial. It ensures that transactions on your site are smooth and secure for both you and your customers. As you scroll down on this panel, you will discover even more tools available for you. Tools that allow you to manage your products efficiently, whether you are adding new items, updating inventories, or removing products that are no longer available. You can also add various store elements to enhance the user experience. These elements could include features that make navigation easier or offer a more visually appealing storefront, thus attracting more visitors to your site. Another option to manage your store is directly on the website itself. When previewing your site, click on the store element displayed on your pages. Doing so will bring up multiple options you can explore. These options will allow you to manage your product inventory and tweak your store settings. From editing the display and adjusting layouts to enhancing the overall design, these settings will ensure that your store not only looks good, but also functions efficiently. There you have it. By following these steps, you're now on your way to creating an engaging and fully functional Wix store on your website. Good luck and happy selling!